refreshing.
How long are you going to ride?
I don't know. We probably got another 6 hours maybe.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I gotta go because my horse is gonna freak.
Okay, go.
So, nice, huh? Big wind! Big wind! We're calling it off. We're going home. This is dangerous. It's too cold.
Tell me what happened today.
So, we started out, we had hail, just a little bit of hail, and then a little more hail, and then some snow, and then some wind, and it just got worse and worse and worse, so now the visibility is almost zero. Everybody's got a little touch of hypothermia. We all just pulled into a winter place so we could get out of the wind and stuff. Our support vehicle showed up, and now we've just had some hot coffee in this, I don't know what you call this, storage shed I guess. So we're all just gonna bail back in the car and go home. Safety's the first priority, and look at this, look!